We all know there's nothing worse than having a slow website. How many times have you rage quit when the loading symbol just keeps on spinning forever? Well, for business owners, poor website performance also means high bounce rates, revenue loss, and low search engine rankings. But with Drupal, this can all be avoided. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Here at lvlab.it, we specialize in Drupal web development, and today we're going to look at how Drupal caches can help you improve your website's performance. But quickly before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all of our latest content. So what exactly are Drupal caches? Well, when a user visits a website, Drupal stores a cached copy of the data and serves it to the next user who requests the same page. This reduces load times and improves the website's performance. The Drupal Cache API is a powerful tool that allows developers to tailor the caching system to their website. It offers a whole host of options, such as page caching, block caching, and dynamic caching. Developers can also set cache expiration times to ensure that cached data is always up to date. By optimizing these settings, developers can dramatically increase the performance of their website. Memcache and Redis are two of the most popular Drupal cache modules. Memcache is great for caching data that needs to be refreshed frequently and quickly. It stores data in memory so it can be accessed super fast. But there is a catch. If the Memcache server restarts, you'll lose your cache and the server will have to rebuild it from scratch. This isn't a huge issue for small websites, but for larger ones, it can be a problem. Redis, on the other hand, has a more robust caching system that supports incremental caching. That's because it stores data on disk, which can survive a server restart. This makes Redis a better choice for caching data that needs to be stored for longer periods and accessed less frequently. Think session data, user data, or even whole web pages. The choice between Memcache and Redis really boils down to what your website needs and how it's being used. Both have their advantages and disadvantages, and developers should consider their specific use cases when deciding which caching system to implement. So why should you use Drupal caches? Well, the most obvious benefit is that they make websites faster. By storing frequently accessed data in the cache, websites can quickly retrieve it and serve it to visitors. After all, with shorter loading times, users are bound to have a better experience on your site. Caches also reduce the load on the server. Because caches store data locally, the server doesn't have to work as hard to retrieve it, which means that the website can handle more traffic without slowing down or crashing. And if you want to start scaling your website, caches will come to your rescue once again. As traffic on your sites increases, caches can handle more requests and reduce the strain on the server. This basically means no more expensive server upgrades. Finally, by reducing the strain on the server and making it more scalable, caches can also help you save money on infrastructure costs. That's because your site will be able to handle more traffic with fewer servers, so you don't need to spend loads more money on hardware and maintenance. So there you have it. You should be able to see now why Drupal caches are a powerful tool for improving the performance of your website. By reducing server load, improving scalability, and saving money on infrastructure costs, you can ensure a great experience for all your users. It's definitely worth trying out a cache system to help everything run more smoothly and efficiently. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you need help with your Drupal website or have any questions about software development, please feel free to contact us using the information in the description below. And if you want to learn more about web development, well, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. You can also visit our website, lvlab.it, for more information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.